your parenthesis. Good job. There we go.
I thought you said you weren't good at trust.
Well, I thought I'd give you another chance.
Okay, then I should have said. I should have said positive 30.
Which I'm sad that I did. This may happen to you, though. I don't see this example on here, but let me hold it. Let me see if there's an example of this. I want to show you like the hard stuff too, but I don't see an example of it. But let me give you a little example over here. I'm just going to draw a quick line. 4, 7, open, close. Okay. Ooh, that was unfortunate. All right, there we go. All right, so this may happen to you. Pardon me. How far to the left does our graph go? 4. How far to the right does your graph go? 7. What type of parenthesis or bracket on the left?
Parenthesis and then bracket.
Yeah, there we go. So that may happen. All right, so it doesn't always have to be infinite signs.
The bracket looks like a parenthesis.
You look like a parenthesis. Math humor is wonderful. All right, so that may happen to you. It's not always going to be infinite signs. Okie dokie. All right, there's one more notation we're going to learn today, and it is called set notation. What we just did was called interval notation, so let's do this. I'm going to do interval notation is this type of thing. Because set notation looks a little something different. I'll do pink for set notation. Set notation we're going to put right here. After we're done, I'll just highlight that. All right, here we go. Set notation is a little bit weirder. There is a special parenthesis that means set, and it's this one. It's that like curvy thingy. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, the curvy bracket.
I just called the weird ass.
So it's not like a regular bracket, it's like more wavy?
Yeah, exactly. And it's, if you're looking on a keyboard, it's next to the regular bracket, right above enter.
You gotta figure out what it's called. Oh, that's what that is?
Oh, yeah, I don't know what I know. I need to know what it's called. If anybody can find that out.
Yeah, it's curly bracket.
Curly bracket. I like that fancy term, curly bracket. It's like those curly fries from Arby's. And why you all dissed Arby's last year, I don't know. Because Arby's was the bomb. Everybody making fun of Arby's. Stay away from Arby's.
Arby's gave me food poisoning.
They're too. Well, that's the good part about it.
Well,
You never know.
Mr.
It's like Russian roulette of food. You may die, you may live. Whatever. Got what? From a roast beef sandwich?
A herpes from yes.
Oh. That was you? No. Their curly fries are really good, though.
Yeah, if you don't get herpes.
I don't hate Arby's though.
I just don't eat it.
Everybody was hating on the 2-pounder.
Oh, the 2-pounder. Oh, it's not 2 pounds.
You eat it though?
I love Arby's.
Like that?
They're-
Like,
I used to eat the 2-pounder all the time.
One
Yeah.
pound and a half.
And I would drench that thing in Arby's sauce and just shove it in there.
it's probably the sauce that you like.
Oh, the sauce is good.
Yeah, he eats sauce.
The sauce is so good.
crazy.
I would drink it. Yeah, true.
What?
All right, set notation. Start off with the set symbol. What you're going to do next is start off with what letter you're using in the problem. In this case, it's the letter X. So drop in X, and then you're always going to use that symbol. That's therefore. Yeah, just a line. Just make it a little bit longer so that you don't confuse it with like the number 1 or something like that.
Can we just put something on?
No,
top
you
of it,
can't.
Like a hat.
No. Next, here's what you do. Very simple. All you're going to do, take this thing here, and you're going to set it right there. And there you go. That's it. That's set builder. Or I'm sorry, set notation. Sorry.
So it's always gonna be the variable first and then that.
Correct.
Like,
Yeah, so here's the part that stays the same. Let's put, you know what? All the part that stays in black is the part that stays the same. I'm going to do that. Or purple would be perfect because purple's awesome. So my black part is the stuff that stays the same. The only time that the black X changes is if, like say it started off like this. Then it would be a Y instead of an X.
okay.
But that's it. But then you just like take that equation Move it over.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. All right, so that's the only time it changes.
Okay.
I don't care if you know how to read it, so we're not going to worry about the reading part. So let's go down to the bottom.
Isn't that like important?
No. Hashtag no. Hmm? All right, here we go. All right, interval notation and set notation. I'm going to put a little example up here to remind me so I don't get them confused. Like this one is something like this. This is just an example. Pull down my arse. So, don't worry, I washed. I'm just trying to remind myself what each one looks like because it's easy to get them confused.
How do you write it right there? You can never see it.
Well, I just wanted to, it's just for me so I don't get confused and like accidentally screw it up.
I was trying to write that down.
Oh, the first part?
Yeah.
Yep, there you go.
Yeah, they're just good examples.
So those are just little examples to remind us of what it should look like, after we're done. Now, it doesn't matter which one you do first. You can do interval notation, then set notation, however you want to do it. So let's do it. Number one, I'm going to do set interval notation. How far left does that graph go, number one? Negative infinity, awesome. That gets a parenthesis. How far to the right does it go? Yep. And since it's open circle, that gets a parenthesis. I don't know if anybody has a good way of remembering that, like a shortcut to remember, like bracket and parenthesis, like brackets with close, parentheses with open. I don't know if there's like an easy way to remember that.
I mean, it's just like open and close. Like it's not.
Like open and then close.
Open C.
Yeah.
Open, C, close, heart, or
Close L.
something like that. Yeah. Hey, if it works for you, do it. All right, set notation. This is the harder one. Let's start off all of our set notations like this. All right, set notation is set. Set notation. Now here's how I want you to do set notation. It's actually pretty simple. Start with the same letter. What number is our dot on? -4. So I'm going to put that right here. Everybody see how I got that?
Yeah.
Which way is our arrow point, or which way are we shading, left or right? Left. So we're going to do our arrow pointed left. Now is it an open or closed circle? I don't remember. Open, so guess what? We leave it like that. If it's closed, you put that line underneath it. That's it. You're done. So the purple part was the part that we just kind of pulled out of thin air by using our smarts. The black part's always going to stay the same. Let's do some more of these, if you don't mind.
Yeah, I would rather not have homework.
Yeah, the less homework, the better.
Yeah.
Remember, we always try to do at least half the homework in class so you have half of it
Or
done.
just do it all.
And you guys will have plenty of time at the end to do some of this.
I'll try to today, but
All right, 2 through 5. Any of those looking a little sus that you want to do? Pick one.
2.
Anybody besides Ethan, pick one.
Well,
4? Let's do 4. All right. I'm gonna start with set notation this time, just to show you that you guys can do it in different orders. So I'm gonna start normal. Oh, that was not a. There we go. All right. So I'm gonna start with X as usual. Our dot is on what number? On number 4. 11. Awesome. Which way does it shade? Right or left? To the right. So let's draw our arrow pointing to the right. Now it's open circle, so do we need to add the line or can we just leave it? You just leave it. That's it. Done. Set notation is done for number 4. Closed circle is when you add the line underneath.
where do you add the line underneath? Like, show an example?
Yeah. Let's do. Oh, here. Look at number 5. Look at number 5. Let's do that. All right. What number is a dot on number 5? Okay. And which way are we shading?
To the right.
Okay, so arrow points right. Open or close circle?
Close.
Close. So now you want to close it off with a line.
Oh, okay, yeah. Never mind.
No, you're good. That's good to do an example of it. You're good. All right, let's finish off 4 with interval. How far left does your graph go? On number 4. 11. How far?
Infinity.
To infinity. Awesome. So infinity definitely gets parentheses. How about that 11? Bracket or parenthesis? Parenthesis. There we go. Remember, make up that shortcut in your head. Remember which one's parenthesis or bracket.
Hey, can we do an interval where the sign is what the y is?
What?
On the axis. And where the number is a y.
What example you got? You got a
3.
3? Yeah, we can do 3. All right, we're going to do 3 as well, just to make sure we got this. Let's do interval notation first. How far left? Ooh, we go on number 3. Negative infinity, awesome. That always gets a parenthesis. How far to the right do we go? Awesome. It's a closed circle. What do we put? Bracket. Magnifique. Magnifique. Très magnifique aujourd'hui. Tous les temps.
Stop saying French.
Oh mon Dieu. Fermez la bouche. Oh.
Don't question why he does French.
Yep. Yeah.
He does French.
It's a beautiful way of hearing, shut up. Fermez la bouche. All right, on the set notation, let's do our, just to let you know, you do not have to use my color scheme. You don't have to like make the regular thing black or whatever. You don't have to do that. You can do one color if you want. All right, so X, what's the number? Negative 13, awesome. Which way are we shading? Yep, to the left. Open or closed circle, so are we going to put a line or no line? A line because it's closed. There you go. Awesome. Wonderful, marvelous. Wonderful, marvelous.
Marvelous.
Awesome job. I think we only have to do like 1 or 2 more problems. You guys will be free to do your thing.
Can we just do the whole exercise?
The whole hours?
Oh yeah, you have a whole long time to do work.
Or just goof off?
I like to give you guys time to do and ask questions.
What if can I use my headphones?
If they're wired, yeah.
Yeah, they're wired.
Yeah, that invisible wire. Yeah, I see. What's up?
Are 2 and 5 the same question?
Oh, let's see. Maybe 2 and 5. Okay, we don't have to do question number 2 because that's the same as number 5. Good catch. Let's just cross that off. I did not even notice that. Or yeah, do cross off number 5 if you did number 2.
Oh, I did both.
Oh. Sucker.
So I kind of just.
Good catch, by the way. I didn't see that. Nice.
I didn't catch that.
I didn't either. All right, so let's go on the back. We're going to try 2 problems on the back.
That's why you never trust him.
Let's try beautiful number 10. And we're going to do 10 and 13, lucky number 13.
You always love that number.
Oh, 10. Oh, we should do 17 as well, but we'll see. We'll do, okay, we'll do 10. All right, guess what? It's time for some algebra.
I hate you.
Yeah. We need to combine like terms to get x by itself. So what's the first step you do on the left?
Combine like terms.
By doing what?
I've actually distributed.
There it is. Distribute. Let's do it. When you distribute, make sure you distribute the negative 3, not just the 3. Remember, number 1 killer in math, negatives
Ugh.
and stupidity.
No one's stupid. Why did you look at me immediately?
I don't know. I'm just looking around the room, that's all. I happened to stop on you when you were saying that. Yep, combine like terms. Let's do it, combine like term time. There's like 8 to 10 different ways of solving this, so if you don't do it our exact way, as long as you get the right answer, bueno. Aight. Let's do it. Combine like terms. Let's see, we can combine these. All right, now, I've been seeing this a lot lately, and I don't know why. A lot of people are doing this. Why is that wrong? When do you change signs?
It's on the opposite side.
Yeah, if you bring it to the opposite side, you do the opposite signs. This is on the same side, so don't change signs yet. So let's go back. I'm going to get rid of that plus 15x. And we're just going to do 21 minus 15, so that's 6x. There we go. All right, so just be careful. What's next? Yeah. Yep. Bring this over here by adding 27. Just to let you know, I do mine a little bit differently because the more numbers I see, the more my brain gets jumbled up. So I don't do this. You know, like they had you like put plus 27 underneath. You can do that. Do that your way. I can't do it because my brain's a little wacky. That's why I take medicine.
Yeah, we all know.
At least my therapist tells me I'm good.
Mentioning stuff like he's just gonna get on you.
What's that?
That
He's
means
just gonna keep on like
I know.
I ignore it.
antagonizing you.
I ignore him. I haven't been homeroom, so it's like. So I had to suffer twice. Well, not this year though. He's in tech.
Yeah, until next year.
You could do it at the end of the year.
Well, that's next year. Maybe something else will happen. What do we do next? Sorry. Divide. Awesome. Let's divide by 6.
The decimal.
All right. Uh-oh. You guys are in luck. What is it, like 5 point something? 5.6? Okay.
Mr. Adam,
What's up?
can you start making packets? Like paper? I heard that
Rem-
you like it. Oh, you don't like it.
If you do, though, here's what you have to do. In order to turn in your homework, you have to take pictures and upload them. But if you want to do that, that's okay.
Yeah, so I can print the paper at home and then just take photos of it.
All right. Wonderful news, everybody. In Algebra 1, you know you did the problem wrong when a decimal showed up, right? Oh, no, this is Algebra 2. When decimals show up, you rejoice because that's what we can get now, a lot of decimals. So that makes it a little bit harder because you're used to like, hey, I got a whole number, I did it right. If you get a decimal, you did it wrong. Not now. Now in Algebra 2, you can get decimals and be right.
Yeah, and we also got the first number.
So here we go. Yeah, we got the 6, 7 number. That's horrible. Also, let me show you how to make a good number line. I highly recommend, what's this, 5? I recommend you do not have to start at 0 every time. Some teachers make you start at 0 in the middle every time. You do not have to do that. You don't even have to have 0 on your number line if you don't want. This one I just happened to, but. All right, so 5.67, that was positive, right? Yep. So right about here. Oh, open or close circle, let's check. Close, perfect. And we're shading to the windows or the wall. Actually, which one's right? Windows or wall? To the windows. But we do not, no, see, it's only inappropriate if you get to that next sentence, and we don't get there. We stop at the wall. We stop at the wall.
What does it say out there?
I don't remember.
He's not allowed. He's not legally allowed to say.
Sweat. Sweat. Something about sweat rolling down.
Rolling down something.
Why does it become?
There we go.
Can you move it a little?
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. All right, is everybody okay with how we solved it and graphed it? That shouldn't be too bad. There is one caveat I need to warn you of, and maybe we should write this somewhere. Here's a little caveat that I want you to remember. You don't have to write this if you don't want to. Warning here. Warning. Warming? What the heck? I can't spell. Warning. If you divide or multiply by negative, what does that do to the sign?
Make it positive.
What's that? Say that again.
Makes it positive.
Ish.
If you multiply it.
If you multiply or divide by a negative, it flips the sign. It flips your inequality. Oh, did you just look up the next line?
Yeah.
Yeah. We can't say the next line.
This is great.
This is one of those little stupid math rules that's very easy to forget. What's up?
Isn't that just right there?
Where does it say that?
Watch out if you multiply or divide by
It's like a little bit
Scroll,
up.
scroll up.
You steal my thunder.
Look, you could have found that right there.
We'll just ignore that. Son of a. Dang it. Yes, it says it right up there. Okay, so you don't have to write this if you don't want, because it's right there.
Just like
If you divide or multiply by a negative, inequality flips.
it likes writing extra words.
You know what? I'm so stupid because I read like the bottom part, but it didn't like comprehend in my head. I don't know.
Okay, but you did add like a little bit that wasn't on.
Yeah, I added a couple. Yeah, and the colors. Yeah,
Yeah, man.
try to make me feel better about myself.
It's in color, not in the
I
black
love the
and white,
beautiful color.
which we're used to seeing.
All right, so just remember that. That might crop up. That's a real pain. All right, let's do one more, and then we'll decide which problems to do, because we're not going to do all these. There's a little too many problems on here for me.
And I'm
So we'll definitely cross off some for sure. All right, there's one more I want to do just because it's a different type of problem. Let's go to number 13. Look at number 13. What's the first step of number 13? Yeah, distribute. Let's do it. You do not have to show arrows like I'm doing. I do it just to remind myself that I need to distribute to everything in the parenthesis. You do not have to. But just to let you know, the more work you show on quizzes, the less amount of points you lose.
So with quizzes, is it like the same as homework where you said if you get stuff wrong but you show the work, you get points or not?
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah, so let's say you did a problem on the quiz and you mess up on a negative. I'll take off probably 2 points out of 10 as opposed to all or nothing type of thing.
Partial credit, yeah.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
It is definitely partial credit on quizzes. I do not do the whole stupid.
Yeah, I know that.
I hate the all or nothing quizzes. That just doesn't make sense to me.
Yeah, the all or nothing.
All right, I'm going to move this. Always try to move the X to the left side, by the way, if you can. I'm going to do 2 steps in one. Just saves me time. You can do the 2 steps if you'd like. It's absolutely up to you.
It all depends on your style.
And I want to show you why what I wrote was wrong.
And why you shouldn't follow him blindly.
That's absolutely true. Don't follow me blindly. You'll end up in traffic.
Yeah, crossing the road.
Does anybody know what I wrote wrong in the red, the last equation?
You added a 0.
No, 0 is good because 24 minus 24 is 0.
I know.
I got the plus 20. I just wrote my 27 a little bit different. What did I do? It's here. Let me zoom in a little bit more. There we go. You cannot. So how many X's do we have? 0. But why did I put X if we don't have any X's? So you just need to put a 0. All right. A lot of people last year in Algebra 2, they would keep the X and put 0X. That's not right. And they ended up missing the problem later on because they thought they had 1 X left over. All right. Well, unfortunately, the letter's gone, right? Yeah. So we had to decide if this is a true or false question. Remember, Pac-Man, alligator, whatever you call the inequality, likes to eat the bigger number. Is Pac-Man eating the bigger number?
No.
No, so this is false. This is no solution. We can't graph it. We can't do anything. Now, if it was a true statement, you would just put all real numbers for the answer. Do you guys remember how to write the symbol for all reals? It's like that. You write 11, and then you make an R with that capital, or with the first 1. And that means all the numbers in the world. And that's only if it was true, something like this. Like that's a true statement. 4 is bigger than 0. That's true, so you would just put all reals. If it pops up. I don't know if it pops up on this homework or not, but. All right, that's it. All right, let's cross off some of these. All right, how many problems do we have left to do on the front? Do we count that? Let's see.
Oh, we're done on the front.
Oh, the front's done. So the top.
Oh, except for
All right, let's do 6, 7, 8.
Except for a couple on the front.
On this one, let's cross off 11 and 12.
11, 12.
Cross off 11 and 12. You can do 6, 7, 8, 9, and, well, we did 13 and 10. We did 13 and 10. Then flip it over. Let's do 2 problems on the back. Let me see which 2 we're going to do. 2 problems on the back. I always determine the amount of homework we do by how everything goes in class and how good the answers are and everything. And today, phenomenal. I thought it was great. I think you guys know what the heck you're doing. Smarter than me.
Yeah, you never true us.
Okay, so let's do on the back. Someone pick a number. 15. Okay, so let's do 15. Let's not do 18 because that thing.
What about 14?
Okay. I'll do the first 2. I like it. All right, cross off 16, 17, and 18. I'll dig it. That's it. That's all you got. We're done. You guys have until 2:18, so you got tons of time. If you need help uploading homework and stuff, let me know. I can show you how to do that pretty easily. It's only 2 clicks in Good Notes and Notability. So super easy. And whenever you click to upload to Canvas, it should automatically put it in the right spot for you. You don't have to choose.
Oh, it doesn't.
So that's awesome. Makes it so much easier.
It doesn't all the time.
Yeah, it does.
No.
No one asked you, Ethan.
Do
I also need to do all of these?
Yes. Yeah. All right. Office.